Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with a rough starting engine, clogged carburetor, or just a mess of greasy parts, today's video is for you. We're taking a closer look at the Gumout Carb or choke and parts cleaner, an eco-friendly, fast-drying cleaner that promises to blast through gunk, varnish, and grime to restore your engine and metal parts to their best. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, this product can save you time and money. Stick around as we break down how it works, real user experiences, and why it might just become your new favorite garage essential. Let's get started. The Gumout Carburetor Cleaner is formulated to quickly remove stubborn deposits that accumulate over time, such as gum, varnish, and dirt. These contaminants can clog carburetors, choke valves, and other metal parts, leading to poor performance and even stalling. By breaking down these deposits, the cleaner helps improve engine performance, fuel economy, and exhaust emissions. Although its primary use is for cleaning carburetors, this aerosol cleaner is versatile enough for a range of tasks. Whether it's brake components, unpainted metal tools, or engine parts, Gumout delivers consistent, reliable results. 14-ounce can come equipped with a precise nozzle and straw attachment, allowing users to clean hard-to-reach areas without creating a mess. The variable flow control ensures you use just the right amount of product where needed. Designed with eco-conscious users in mind, the product dries quickly after application, leaving no residue. This not only makes it efficient to use, but also ensures your cleaned parts are ready for reassembly in no time. While many cleaning products have strong chemical odors, Gumout's unscented formula minimizes discomfort during use. However, it's still recommended to use the product in a well-ventilated area for safety. One user recounted their experience using the Gumout cleaner on a moderately dirty carburetor from a wood chipper that wouldn't start after sitting idle all winter. They praised the product's efficiency, noting that the cleaner blasted away grime and gunk almost instantly. The nozzle and straw combination worked exceptionally well to target small, hard-to-reach areas, while the quick-drying formula made the job less messy. What stood out in this feedback was the fun factor of using the product. Watching grime and gunk blow out of the carburetor's crevices was oddly satisfying, akin to an instant anti-spray paint spray. While the user's ultimate issue was unrelated to the carburetor cleaning, they were thoroughly impressed by the product's performance. Another user emphasized the cleaner's versatility and value for money. In addition to cleaning a clogged lawnmower carburetor, they used the product to refresh brake components and degrease old metal tools. The cleaner performed exceptionally well across all applications, melting away grease and grime with minimal effort. The precise spray control was another highlight, allowing for targeted cleaning without wasting product. While the strong chemical smell was noted, the user considered it a minor inconvenience given the effectiveness of the cleaner. Engines rely on clean components to run efficiently. Clogged carburetors and choke valves are common culprits behind hard starts, stalling, and high fuel consumption. Gumout tackles these issues head-on, restoring functionality and improving fuel efficiency. Instead of paying for professional cleaning or replacing parts prematurely, Gumout offers an affordable DIY solution. 14-ounce can is priced competitively and lasts through multiple cleaning sessions, making it a cost-effective addition to any toolkit. The aerosol format makes the cleaning process straightforward, even for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Gumout cleaner simplifies the job. While its name highlights carburetors and choke valves, this cleaner's ability to tackle brakes, metal tools, and other unpainted metal parts makes it a versatile product. It's essentially a one-stop solution for cleaning multiple components. When using the Gumout Carb or choke and parts cleaner, it's important to follow safety precautions to ensure safe and effective use. First, always apply the cleaner in a well-ventilated area, as it emits strong fumes that can be harmful if inhaled in an enclosed space. To protect your eyes from potential splashes or flying debris, wear proper eye protection, such as safety goggles. Gloves are also recommended, especially for prolonged use, to avoid skin contact with the chemicals. Lastly, always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure the best results and prevent misuse or accidents. Taking these simple safety measures can help you use the product confidently while minimizing any risks. The Gumout Carb, choke, and parts cleaner lives up to its reputation as a powerful and versatile cleaning solution. Its ability to cut through stubborn deposits and grime with ease makes it an invaluable tool for maintaining engines and other metal components. The product's user-friendly design, eco-friendly formulation, and affordable price point further enhance its appeal. Whether you're a DIY mechanic, a weekend lawn enthusiast, or someone looking to breathe new life into old metal tools, this cleaner is a worthy investment. It's reliable, efficient, and designed to deliver results that meet or exceed expectations. For those looking to tackle hard-starting engines, rough idling, or just restore metal parts to their former glory, Gumout Carb, Choke, and Parts Cleaner is a game changer. Add it to your toolkit today and experience the difference it makes. In conclusion, the Gumout Cleaner stands out not just as a product, but as an essential garage staple. From restoring carburetors to cleaning brakes and tools, it's versatile, effective, and delivers excellent value for money. Don't let gunk and grime hold you back. Let Gumout handle the dirty work for you.